Welcome to Choo Choo Crossing. I have no idea what it is. I was browsing games on itch, and I found this one. Hello and welcome to Choo Choo Crossing. You are our new station master. Nice to meet you. You must help guests make their train connections here at the train station. Run around with the arrow keys on the keyboard or left control stick on controller. Jump with space. Okay. And sprint with the shift key. Okay. Yeah! Passengers are getting off the train. Please help them reach the other side in time for their connection. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. The train has arrived. Nearby passengers will board the train. Toot toot. Excuse me? Oh, one last thing. You can lead passengers by clicking and holding the left mouse button or E on the keyboard. Okay. Ah yes, a friendly nudge. Get your eyes over there! Get over there! Gotta make your try! Move! Move! Just throw it in front of it. Come on, guys. We gotta go. Some guests will fall asleep on the platform occasionally. Guests can be woken up by hitting the wake-up drum. Bro, I ain't got time. Come on, brother. Get up. Move. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Oh. Get up, bruh. We gotta move. We move. Alright, everybody off. Everybody off. Alright, we get it. Oh, what is happening? Go, 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 go. You're missing your train! Sorry. Wake up. Oh! Alright, we good, we good, we good. Who's the ducky guy? What are you doing, bro? Get! Oh, I'm sorry. Come back. Which one of you guys is going? No! I got you, fam. Okay, come on. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Come on, keep moving. No! Keep moving. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Stop! The sun is setting, the day is almost done. Station boy, you must lead us to our final destination. What is happening? Come on, come on, come on. We gotta move. You're gonna get left. You're gonna get left behind. Come on, we gotta move. Oh, no, come on. Oh. I don't even know which way you guys are going. Ah. Fun.
The train is leaving, 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 the train is gone.
Wow. That was an experience. Let's see if we can do better. Oh, yeah. Here they come. Oh, I can just drag them. Alright, let's do it. Where are they coming from? Up here. Okay. We got this. Easy. Easy dubs. Get over there. Yeah. Baby game. Easy. Come on. Come here. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, everybody got there. Will they wake up when the train's here? Come on, keep moving. Keep it moving! Move! Yeah! Come on, keep moving, keep moving. Go, go, go! Who's going which way? You're going this way. Come on! Yeah! Yeah, buddy! You get over there. No, come here. Yeah! Dude, easy mode. But you gotta come this way. Get over there. Move! Come on. Come on, buddy. You gotta make it to your train. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm coming, don't worry. I'm not gonna let you die. Go! Come on, we gotta move! Come on, buddy. No, don't fall asleep. Go! Stop! Please! Okay. You must lead us to our final destination. I will do good for the company. Come on. Ooh. No, dumpling boy. Come on. Dude, this song is so good. Come on. Come on. We gotta go. You're gonna miss your trip home. I don't even know where the ducks are going. No, you're going the other way. Oh. Give me the shot, please! Please! Come on. You're gonna make it. Oh.
The train is leaving. 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 The train is gone.
I don't know if I did better or not. But yes, that is Choo Choo Crossing. Thank you so much for watching. That was a blast. I highly recommend it. Choo Choo Crossing on itch.io. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, like it. If you disliked the video, dislike it. All that good stuff. And I will see you. What am I doing? Oh no.
The train is leaving. 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 The train is leaving.